Welcome to my Create Your Calm sensory bins for self-care. This is a hands-on workshop designed for adults seeking a creative and relaxing way to practice self-care. You'll learn the science behind sensory play, how to use sensory bins for mindfulness and stress release, and create your own sensory bin. This workshop is inspired by my passion for helping others prioritize self-care, especially busy stay-at-home moms. As a mom myself, I understand how hard it is to be focused on your own needs among your daily responsibilities. Sensory bins, while often associated with children, are a powerful tool for adults. Sensory bins can include calming textures, soothing scents, and vibrant colors tailored to your needs. This workshop will show you how to use sensory bins to reconnect with yourself and incorporate them into your self-care routine. What are some of the benefits of sensory bins? They reduce stress and anxiety. They encourage mindfulness. They improve focus, and they are a creative outlet. They promote relaxation. It's affordable self-care and accessibility for all, supports emotional well-being. Sorry, my dog is causing chaos. Um, Encourages playfulness. So let's talk about mindfulness and stress. Stress reduction. Studies show that tactile activities like running your fingers through sand or holding smooth objects can lower cortisol, the stress hormone. Repetitive and rhythmic movements associated with sensory play mimic soothing activities like knitting or doodle, which promotes relaxation. The mindfulness benefit. Mindfulness is being fully present without judgment. Sensory bins are naturally in nat, nat sen, Sensory bins naturally encourage this as you focus on the feel, look, and smell of the material. Engaging with sensory bins helps break the cycle of overthinking and anxiety by providing calming meditative activity. So, what are some common calming themes for sensory bins? So, lavender or chamomile bins. Lavender scented rice, smooth stones, and calming purple tones are perfect for stress relief and relaxation. Nature-inspired bins using sand, pebbles, pine cones, and green tones to mimic the tranquil of a forest or beach. So, how do you create a sensory bin? So, first you choose your base material. It can be sand, rice, beans, shredded paper. Here's a tip. Think about the type of sensory experience you want, soothing, energetic, or grounding. Second step, add decorative and interactive items. So small things like pebbles, buttons, shells. You want some crafting tools so you can scoop and tweeze and put it in small containers. Tip, mix and match textures and colors to create visual and tactile variety. Um, Third step is optional. You could add aromatherapy element, so you can add in your essential oils. Only use a few drops though, and small scented items to avoid overwhelming your senses. Step 4, personalize your bin. Think about what makes you feel most relaxed and joyful and customize your bin. So some themes you could have is beach, forest, garden, using different color schemes. You could also pair it with puzzles and games to encourage mindful engagement. Tip, let your creativity flow and make this bin uniquely yours. So, how do you practice? You set the tone, you engage your senses, and close your practice. So using and maintaining, you can store the sensory bins in airtight containers for easy access and longevity. You can explore your bins using your hands or different tools, refreshing materials, replace or add items periodically to keep the experience engaging. Mindful play, dedicate a few minutes daily to using your bin for relaxation or focus. Additional, use your sensory bins for short breaks to reset your mind and keep one nearby for stressful and overwhelming moments. You can also journal and deep breathe. They pair well with sensory bins. Here's some resources. The themes handout will be linked below. Now I'm going to stop the recording for some Q&A. Thank you. Can't find it.